In this video, I will show you on how to free up storage space on your Android phone without deleting any file. All you have to do is to make sure you turn on Storage Manager on your Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to head over to settings on your phone. So having clicked on settings, next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to storage right here. Click on storage, and this is going to pump up. What you need to do right there is to simply turn on this particular toggle button. Your storage is now being managed by the storage manager. Click on OK. It's that simple. With that, you will not experience storage is full or out of storage again on your Android phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.